All right, we are at 19381 Dorset in Southfield, and right now we're down in the basement, going through the sewer line here. We're about 125 feet out. It's a 200-foot coil. Right now we are underwater. We're going to slowly work our way back. We were not able to make it all the way out to the city tap. We're getting some blockages here that we're not able to get through. But as we come back slowly, we are going to see that there is actual damage and cracks in the line. Now, we are seeing that the line was clay, is what we thought was all the way out, correct? So here, as we're seeing this, you're getting some calcium buildup and blockage at that portion of the line here. So we'll slowly kind of keep working back and see if we can tell what kind of structure or what kind of condition the structure of the line is. This is going to be real common that we see this throughout the line, where we get the calcium buildup at all these different joints, which means it's going to be a good idea. Here we go, stop right here. We're starting to see cracks already. All right, so this whole section here, we've got cracks in this line, and what this means is that this is not a matter of if, but a matter of when this line really starts to break and deteriorate and cause big problems. We're talking repair on that right now, replacement on at least that section. I was seeing a little bit on the bottom side there as well. This should be a whole lot easier to see. So that whole section that we were just in was where we were kind of getting that backup of water. It's gradually making it through the backup.
Cable came out.
No worries. Got it?
Yep.
Okay. So you'll see that throughout here we've got a little bit of sludge at the bottom of the line. That's not really a huge deal. That can be kind of power washed right out, either with a hydrojetter or a cutter that can be pushed on down the line. Okay, so we think we're in there?
Yep.
Okay. Slippery floor too.
Yeah, it is. Okay.
All right. Well, what I'm hoping is that we don't see any more damage. Maybe that was just the
one section.
Right out by the sidewalk, where the old tree used to be. It's since been cut down. And we did note that the sidewalk had been replaced out there where that old tree was. So this doesn't necessarily have to be, if we don't find any more damage, it doesn't have to be this horrendous, expensive repair. Typically, if we were going to, now we're getting back into the cast, so we're getting pretty close here to being done with the line. But going back to the cost of all that, with, I'm assuming tearing up that sidewalk is going to have to be done to make that repair. You're going to be going through a lot of roots. You're probably talking just about $7 or $8 grand with permits and sidewalk bonds and all that, and the fees with the city plus labor. It's a small repair, but they're largely expensive. So about, I'd say, roughly $7,000 to $8,000 just for that.
That's it.